Hi guys, in this video we're going to be exploring exponential decay. We're going to be using this formula y is equal to a to 1 minus r to the power t. So if you watched my previous video, a is just the initial. Every time you're talking about a decline, you're giving me a base, like the decline from what? What was it before? So that's the initial population. If we're talking about a decline in a population of somewhere because of an exponential loss, what was their population before? So that's A. Or if you're talking about exponential reduction in salaries, what was the salary before? So that's going to be our base. And then R is still the rate. Usually it's going to be given in percentages. So if they give you like a 4%, 4% simply means 4 out of 100, and this is a 0.04. So this is a rate, usually given in percentage. And then T, you're giving me a time frame. What time frame are we talking about? Is it 10 years? Is it 4 years? So like if you look at this question, they're telling us the value of a car is 18,000 and depreciating at a rate of 12% per year. Use an exponential function to find the value of the car 10 years later. So now the value of the car A is 18,000, and they're telling us we use the time frame of 10 years, and the rate of depreciation is 12%, and this is the same as 0.12. Y is equal to A into parentheses 1 minus R exponent T. So meaning the value of this car after 10 years will be the initial price, which is 18,000, 1 minus 0.12 to the exponent of 10. 1 minus 0.12, you get a 0.88. So this is 18,000 times 0.88 to the exponent of 10. The value of this car is going to be 5,000 and $13. So $5,013. So mind you, sometimes parentheses, I call them brackets. So if you're lost, if you've been following me, you know parentheses, same thing. So this car that was 18,000, 10 years later will be 5,000. So it's really depreciating. Let's look at another example. In this example, they're telling us that the initial cost of a book is $58. So that is our A, everyone. That's the initial cost. A is $58. And they're telling us that it decreases at a rate of 7%. So our R is 0.07. If you're wondering how I got 0.077%, it's the same as 7 over 100, which is 0.07. And then they want us to get the cost of this book 8 years later. And this will be 58 times. All these parentheses will give you 0.93 exponent of 8. The cost of this book will be $49.3. So it will have lost value. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.